vehicle to the Cayenne tech car that I used to have, or even the Audi S4. And I've had a handful of other SUVs like the BMW X5, 4.8 IS, and a few others. This is the best handling SUV I've ever driven. Even within the Porsche lineup, it does not compare with this. Now keep in mind that I have upgraded the suspension to H&R springs because the factory suspension was not up to par to what I would like. But the H&R springs make a huge difference. Huge difference. I've realized that it is so worth it. So worth it. Somewhere in Arkansas, from right outside of Nashville, Tennessee, and we actually were doing the speed limit the whole way, maybe with a couple miles on or off, but for the most part we were trying to maximize the miles per gallon consumption, and we were able to get about 407 miles to the tank, which averages out to about 24 to 25 miles to the gallon, and to me that's incredible for a tank now. So that's it. It gives me all-wheel drive everywhere. See, both the wheels are.
Wait, it has an all-wheel drive option? Your rear-wheel drive?
Yeah, when I put it on sport, it gives me more rear-wheel drive. Trip.